Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PageSpeed Insights to prioritize performance SEO fixes. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the PageSpeed Insights website. Enter the URL of the web page you want to analyze in the provided field. Click on the Analyze button to initiate the performance check. Wait for the tool to generate the performance report. Review the overall performance score displayed at the top of the report. Scroll down to see detailed metrics such as first contentful paint and time to interactive. Identify the specific areas that require improvement by looking at the suggestions listed. Take note of the highest priority issues highlighted in the report. These might include suggestions like optimizing images or reducing server response times. To address these issues, access your website's code or content management system. For image optimization, compress images before uploading them or use a plugin for automatic compression. If you need to reduce server response times, consider upgrading your hosting plan or optimizing your backend code. Next, implement any recommended fixes based on the suggestions provided. After making these changes, return to PageSpeed Insights to reanalyze the web page. Check if the performance score has improved after implementing the fixes. Continue this process of optimizing and analyzing until you achieve satisfactory performance results. Keep in mind that performance optimization is an ongoing process. Regularly use PageSpeed Insights to monitor and prioritize future SEO fixes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.